Duns, beautiful people. Hello, my beautiful people. Hi. So in this video, okay, this is going to be a quick, short, simple video. I'm going to show you how I do my nighttime routine, okay? So this is the hair, all right? This is my hair, how it looks now, all right? And I'm going to show you how I do my nighttime routine, okay, how I wrap my hair, how I keep it so that in the morning it's not looking all over the place, okay? So with my brush, so the most important thing is to remember this. Well, what are the most important thing is, okay, put it the opposite side, okay? So tomorrow morning, I want my hair to be on that side, okay? So therefore, I'm going to lay it down on the opposite side, vice versa. If I wanted it to be, going this way, I would have laid down that way, okay? So keep that in mind. But I wanted to go the opposite way, so that's what I'm doing. So basically, with your brush, okay, you take your hair, okay? Take your hair, you just lay it down all across, all right? This reminds me, guys, when I used to have a perm, when I used to be the perm girl, and I would have to just wrap my hair before I go to bed. So this is the same concept, okay? But you don't have, of course, your hair is shorter, so you don't have to go all around, but still, okay, still. Okay, so you see how it's like, so this way also is going, so this way, my beautiful people, okay, this is going to help you to not having to use so much heat, okay, on your hair. So you don't have to use a lot of heat. So tomorrow morning, when we wake up, we just unravel it and boom, okay, we are good to go. We unravel the hair and we're boom to go. So what I'm gonna wear is I'm gonna wear this cap, okay? Now, if you would like to know where I get this cap from, DM me, okay? Go onto my YouTube. I'm sorry, not YouTube. What am I saying? Go under my Instagram channel, okay? Go to my Instagram channel and DM me, okay? And I will send you the link, okay? If you are watching this video on Instagram, actually, I don't think I'm going to post this video on Instagram because I like to keep my Instagram and my YouTube kind of, separately. But go follow me on Instagram, okay? And I'm going to show you exactly, I'm going to give you the link to this one, okay? Trust me, you want to get this, okay? Because when you sleep on that, your hair don't go nowhere, okay? Your hair do not go nowhere. And also, after you put this on, put any cap. Okay, so I like to put my silk cap on. Okay. Let me fix it for y'all. There. I like to put my silk cap on. Okay. And it's just golden. When I wake up tomorrow morning, I'm going to, hopefully I will make the video so that you could see the next morning, okay? I hope I'm not gonna be like waking up too late or in a rush to get out, but I'm gonna try my best to just, unravel the hair for you tomorrow so that you can see how it looks like, okay? So this is no heat, and I'm not going to curl it. I'm gonna just have it, nice and straighter looking. Cause see how before it was really curly, all right? But I wanted to have a little length, a little straighter appearance, okay? So this, like I said, this cap right here, golden, okay? So you put it the opposite way, okay, of how you'd like to do your bangs, okay? And after that, put this cap on, y'all. Okay, and like I said, if you would like to have this cap, follow me on Instagram, okay? And I will send you the link so you could go sign up for this cap so you could get yourself one just like this, okay? All right. Let me put it back on because I need to go to bed. It's getting late. Okay, So let me know your thoughts. Like this video, share, subscribe, okay, comment. All right. Follow me on Instagram and I will give you this. I'll send you the link. All right. As always, my beautiful people, I love you, love you, love you with the love of Jesus Christ. See you in the next video, okay? See you in the next one where I'm going to do a morning routine, okay? So this is my night routine. I really don't like to add any products to my hair because I feel like when I add products to my Pixie, it gets heavy, it kind of weighs down. So I try to keep it as minimal as possible, okay? So during the nighttime, I don't really put like any conditioner or any oil or any grease. I just wrap it up and that's it, all right? See you in the next video. Be good to each other and especially yourself. All right.